Hello and welcome to GK Panditji once again. And this is a fourth class of simplifications, and there's a part four. So here, where we are going to discuss a simplifications. The our question is find the value of the following. So here this box bracket, and now round bracket open, uh, 8 to the power minus 2 by 3, and here don't afraid to see this typical terms. This is I will discuss here how to solve this type of question. Okay, and don't afraid. Definitely, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment on comment box. I will definitely discuss on this next video. Okay, so here this is a town. So now 1 by 6 into 10 and to the power 5 by 6. Okay, round bracket close, right, and braces bracket open, cube root of 5 square to the power. Okay, here is the trick. Do nothing, because this power and this power will be multiplied. Okay, now this is bracket close, from this minus 1, and now box bracket is closed, and this is box bracket, and open close bracket, round bracket. We'll say 5 minus 3, and box bracket close, divided by division, and 2 by 3. Now 5 minus, sorry, here I need to, so this one's minus 1. Okay, and now you have to solve this question. So let's start. First of all, see, this is a very complex question, and don't afraid to see this kind of things, this kind of power, this kind of power, this kind of power. Okay, we'll definitely discuss here how to solve this kind of problem. But before solving this question, you have to know some notations, that is a to the power n, close bracket within close bracket, to the power n, a, that means do nothing, multiply this both of power, and that is the value. Okay, so here we apply this formula. Okay, and as I discussed before, this formula is nothing but a tool. With the help of this tool, we can solve the problem. Okay, formula, what is formula? Formula is a tool. With this kind of tool, we can solve the problem. So here it is a problem, we have this tool. So let's start and solve the answer. So look at this problem. this is and this one. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do, just separate the this two things as for simplifications. First, as we can get understand that we can get it that what we are doing here. So what I'm going to do here, just separate this terms, and this one and this is as a two terms. Okay, that will be very helpful for us. So just I'm going to clear this canvas here. So just let's start. There's a first term, or first term. So this is our first term. So now here our first term is like this. uh, just a minute. Our first term, okay, wait, minus 2y3 uh, 5 by 2 and divided by 16 minus 5 by 2 into 2 to the power 5. Okay, so this is our first term. So simplifying this problem, we are going to simplify this problem. 8 minus 2 by 3. Okay, and our tool is for solving this kind of problem. Our tool is, that is, for a to the power m within bracket n, and what we need to do, just multiply this, both of this power. Okay, both of this power. So here the same problem, this is a and this is m, and this is within bracket, and this term is n. So we need to do, this is our tool, this is our tool. With the help of this tool we can solve this problem. So now let's start solving this problem. 5 by 2 divided, bracket open, and here is the bracket open. Now get minus 5 by 2 and into 2 to the power 5. Okay, so don't worry about this problem. When you see this kind of problem, just remember this, this is our tool. Okay, now do you get it? Now next second, 8 is 5 by 3, and this one division 2 minus 4 power minus 4 into 5, because this will multiply and this inverse. Okay, because our here we are going to do this formula, and here to here this form. This is our tool. So this is a and this is m and this one is n. So multiply everything, and when doing multiply, inverse this. Okay, so this minus will be here. Okay, now you can understand this one minus 5 by 3, this is power and this is also power. Okay, so same formula is applicable here, same notation. So minus 10 and into 2 to the power 5, sorry, here bracket close, and 2 minus c 3 into 5 by 3. Okay, see what is happened here. This is actually, okay, now simplify this one. Actually this is this formula we have taken from this formula, a to the power m within bracket n. So what we need to do, a to the power m into n. So here we get this point. Okay, so this minus will be here, this minus. Okay, so you can get this point. Now do you get it? Now this next, sorry, no need to bracket, 10 plus 5, that is also power, and now solving this one, we get minus 5, 2 to the power minus 5 divisions 2 to the power minus 5. So here we get, this is minus 5 plus 5. Okay, from this to this. So here minus is plus. Now 2 to the power 0 will get 1, because here we need a notations, and notations is a to the power 0 is equal to 1. So a to the power 0, if you see anything, any kind of number which have the power 0, because 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so remember these things, a to the power 0 is equal to 1. So I'm going to cross this one. So we get this one, this is 1. Okay, then go to the second term, and we have the second term here, second term, and second term is this thing. This is box bracket, first bracket open, and this is 10 to the power 1 by 6 into 10 to the power 5 by 6, bracket close, divide, and this braces bracket, cube root, this bracket open, 5 to the power 5 to 5 square, and minus 3 here, and this one minus 1. So okay, now this is our second term. Now solve this problem. This is very easy one. So 6 and plus 5 by 6 divisions here, because this one same, so you can write here like this, So now there's a box bracket, cube root 5 to the power minus 2 into 3 minus 1. So now the next line, okay, first bracket open, 5 to the power minus 6 or 1 to the power, sorry, 1 by 3, this is also power, and minus 1. Here is a tricky part. So we get this one, 5 to the power minus 2 and minus 1. So from this to 10 divisions sign division, and 5 to the power 2 by 2 into 1, so get 10 into 25. Okay, yes, 25. This, okay. Now 10 by 25 is equal to 2 by 5. This is our second term. So now we have this third term also, and this is the second term, and we need third term to solve third term. 5 to the power 5 by 3 divide 5 to the power 2 by 3 into 5 to the power minus 1. So from this we get 5 to the power 5 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Thus see, this terms is equal 5 5. So when we are going to divide, so we can write like this. Okay, now let's remember these things. Minus 1. So now second thing, okay, 1 here, and because also cross, get the 5 to the power 1 and 5 to the power minus 1. So you get 5 to the power 1 minus 1 is equal to 5 is equal to 0. So if anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So from this notations, from this formula, we get this one. This is 1. Okay, so this is our third term. So this is the solving. So finally now we multiply every terms. Now if we multiply equations, this equations multiply number 1, number 2 and number 3, we get this 1 2y5 into 1 is equal to 2y5. So this our final answer. So please go back to the main point, go back to this previous point, and here we need some notations. And notation uh, number one notation says a to the power m within bracket to the power n, then we need this formula and multiply this both of this power, and one is anything power is 0, we get 1. So with the help of these two things we can solve this kind of problem. And don't afraid when you see this kind of thing, 8 to the power 5 minus 3, so this one 5 to the power 5 by 3. Okay, don't afraid about these things, or you can see this these things, 8 to the power 2 minus 3 bracket close, and here a power for the power 5 by 2. So what we need to do, actually this is actually this is nothing but a, okay, and this one actually is m, and we bracket close, and this one actually n. So what we need to do when you see this problem, we need this tool. So tool is multiply this both of this power, okay, multiply this both of power. So here we do the same things, multiply 5 by 2. So this is, and simplify this one, and you will definitely get this answer. So don't afraid when you see this kind of thing, this kind of things. Always remember this tool is very helpful, and when anything is power 0, its value is 1. Okay, so any number is power 0, any number is power 0, its value is 1. That is include today's session, and I will definitely come with the next beautiful video. So thank you very much for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.